Hey collectors, here is a third-party issue of the long hair for Yamcha from SH Figure Arts under the Dragon Ball Z line, and I would like to thank Leo Shop for this. Link in the description below. Check them out. Out of the small plastic bag, this is what you get: 5 faceplates plus 3 separate parts for the long hair of Yamcha. And we have here the angry, the surprise, and the yelling faceplate. Plus, I think this is the annoyed and the neutral one. They almost look the same. Then we get the long hair, the front, and the back part. Yamcha was eventually reissued, but with a short hair, and many fans, and one of them is me, is longing for a separate hairpiece wherein we could replace the one issued by SH Figure Arts with the long hair version. And I hope these parts are compatible with the SH Figure Arts. First, we disassemble the headpiece of the SH Figure Arts Yamcha by separating the faceplate from the back part of the hair and assembling the hairpiece for the long hair of Yamcha. After heating up the parts, this is the peg that we need to be able to insert the headpiece to this SH Figure Arts body. We have to remove the back part of the head where that cup goes into that peg, and this is what the hairpiece looks like once you insert the peg into the hole. Remember, you have to heat it up. Do not force it or the pegs will break. After assembling all the head pieces, we now have the old long hair Yamcha, and it's compatible with the new SH Figure Arts version 2 body of the character. Unfortunately, none of the faceplates that comes with version 2 Yamcha would fit this new configuration, so you have to use all the faceplates that were included by the third party with this upgrade kit. Unfortunately, when you are looking at the figure from the side, his hair looks so big. And here is the other side. If my recollection is correct, the old Yamcha has a flat head, but this one, he looks like he's wearing too much wig. Bandai should have included the long hair option for this second version of Yamcha in their release. And for size comparison, here he is with the 1:12 in art, the Dark Knight Batman figure, and worthy Captain America from MCU Marvel Legends by Hasbro. With He-Man from Masters of the Universe Chronicles Toyline version by Mattel, and Vash the Stampede from Trigun anime series by Jazzwares. With Skeletor and He-Man from Masters of the Universe Filmation version by Super 7. And finally with Vegeta 24,000 power level version and event exclusive Nappa. And with that, thank you all for watching and see you all again next video.